Finding a car that's both affordable and dependable can feel like striking gold. Some choices come with hidden costs, constant repairs, or unexpected quirks that slowly eat away at your budget. Others seem to keep running effortlessly, offering years of reliable driving without demanding much in return. Certain models quietly stand out, giving owners confidence that every mile is a worry-free one, proving that smart choices don't have to come with a high price tag. Today, we will talk about best used Hondas. Under $15,000, smart buys only, so before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Best used Hondas under $15,000. Smart buys only. When you're shopping for a reliable used car on a budget in 2026, Honda consistently ranks near the top of the list for smart buys under $15,000. Honda's reputation for longevity, low maintenance costs, strong resale value, and mechanical simplicity makes it an ideal choice for budget-conscious buyers. However, not all used Hondas are created equal. Some model years and trims offer better long-term ownership value than others. In this guide, we'll walk through the best used Honda vehicles you can realistically find under $15,000 and explain why they're worth considering. We'll focus on real-world reliability, known maintenance costs, common issues to watch out for, and what makes these Hondas especially worthwhile as used purchases. Whether you're looking for a compact commuter, a practical family sedan, a versatile SUV, or a fun hatchback, Honda has multiple options that deliver dependable performance without breaking the bank. At this price point, your best investment is a well-maintained unit with a documented service history, reasonable mileage, and no significant accident history. 2. Honda Civic 2008 to 2015. Smart compact buy. The Honda Civic has long been one of the most reliable compact cars on the road, and the 2008 to 2015 generations are excellent used buys under $15,000. These Civics are known for their durable four-cylinder engines, straightforward transmissions, and fuel efficiency that holds up well even in high-mileage scenarios. Most owners report smooth highway cruising, predictable handling, and minimal unexpected repairs when routine service is kept up. The 1.8-liter engine in this era is especially praised for its longevity and ease of maintenance, while the 2.0-liter power plant in later years adds a slight performance edge without sacrificing durability. Transmission options include smooth automatics and reliable manuals. Neither has widespread catastrophic issues when properly cared for. Average annual maintenance costs are well below many competitors, and parts availability is excellent thanks to Civic's ubiquity. Potential buyers should still check for common wear items like suspension bushings, wheel bearings, and timing chain/belt condition depending on engine variant. 3. Honda Accord 2008 to 2014. Spacious and dependable. The Honda Accord from the 2008 to 2014 generation is another standout used buy for under $15,000. Slightly larger than the Civic, the Accord delivers more interior space, a refined ride, and powerful yet reliable four-cylinder and V6 engines. The 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine offers a solid balance of fuel economy and performance, while the 3.5-liter V6 adds confident acceleration without becoming a maintenance burden when properly maintained. Accords from this era are known for their strong transmissions, durable suspension components, and minimal major mechanical issues even beyond 200,000 miles. As with the Civic, service history matters. A well-documented Accord with regular oil changes, coolant service, and brake servicing will likely continue to perform reliably for years. Hybrid versions of the Accord from this era can also appear under $15,000, offering excellent fuel economy, though they require careful battery health inspection before purchase. 4. Honda CR-V 2007 to 2013. Reliable compact SUV. For buyers who prefer SUVs, the Honda CR-V from the 2007 to 2013 generations represents one of the best used compact SUV deals under $15,000. Known for its spacious interior, practical cargo area, and durable drivetrain, the CR-V holds up well even with high mileage. The naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine and smooth automatic transmission are easy to maintain, And the all-wheel drive system is robust when serviced regularly. Common maintenance items like brakes, tires, and fluids are affordable compared to many competitors, and documented service history significantly reduces the risk of unforeseen repairs. This generation of CR-V doesn't rely on overly complex electronics or performance parts, which helps keep long-term costs down. Rust in certain climates and older suspension components are the most frequently observed issues, so thorough inspection and test driving are important. The CR-V's resale value remains strong even under $15,000, and its reliability track record makes it a favorite for families and commuters alike. 5. Honda Fit, 2009 to 2014. Practical and efficient. The Honda Fit from the 2009 to 2014 model years is a compact hatchback that punches above its weight in reliability, fuel economy, and practicality. The Fit's small footprint makes it ideal for city driving, while its surprisingly spacious interior and magic seat configuration offer impressive cargo flexibility. The 1.5-liter engine is durable and efficient, and both manual and automatic transmissions have solid reliability records when routinely serviced. Fit owners often report minimal repairs beyond routine maintenance items like brakes and tires, and its lightweight design contributes to lower wear on suspension and drivetrain components. Because these models are affordable and parts are common, independent shops can perform repairs at reasonable rates. 6. Honda Pilot, 2005 to 2011. Family-friendly and durable. The Honda Pilot is a mid-size SUV that frequently appears under $15,000 in the used market, especially older 2005 to 2011 models with well-maintained service records. Equipped with a reliable V6 engine and a sturdy automatic transmission, the Pilot delivers strong performance, spacious seating, and Honda's characteristic build quality. While larger and heavier than compact SUVs, the Pilot's mechanical simplicity contributes to its ability to exceed 200,000 miles when maintained properly. Common issues tend toward typical wear items like suspension components and brakes, rather than major engine or transmission failures. All-wheel drive models require routine differential and transfer case service, but otherwise, this generation of Pilot doesn't present many costly surprises. Buyers should inspect for rust, roof rack wear, and documented timing belt/chain service depending on engine type. 7. Honda Odyssey, 2007 to 2013. Reliable minivan value. Honda's Odyssey minivan stands out as one of the most reliable family vehicles, and used models from the 2007 to 2013 generation often fall under $15,000 with careful searching. The Odyssey's V6 engine and transmission are known for long-term durability when serviced regularly, and its robust chassis and suspension handle family duties with ease. Minivans generally see heavier use, so it's especially important to confirm service history, check for suspension wear, and evaluate interior condition. A well-maintained Odyssey with a documented service record can provide many worry-free miles and strong resale value. Common maintenance items include brakes, tires, and fluid services. Major repairs are relatively uncommon. 8. Honda Element, 2005 to 2011. Fun, practical crossover. The Honda Element is a quirky but practical crossover that often flies under the radar in the used market. Models from 2005 to 2011 can be found under $15,000, and they offer rugged versatility, simple mechanicals, and Honda's excellent long-term reliability. The Element's boxy design maximizes cargo and passenger space, while its durable four-cylinder engine and transmission record strong longevity with routine maintenance. Independent rear suspension and straightforward electronics contribute to lower repair costs compared to more complex SUVs. Elements are known for their resilience and are popular among outdoor enthusiasts, pet owners, and urban drivers needing flexible space. Buyers should inspect for rust in hidden areas, check for worn suspension bushings, and confirm service history. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.